Assalamualaikum viewers. Assalamualaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today video friends, I will share you beautiful Pinecone craft ideas. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, first area is another easy idea is a Pinecone wall hanging. Choose a thread or rope and attach Pincones and beads or ribbon for extra beauty. Hang it on the wall for a natural look. You can also make Pincones animals. Use small Pincones and add eyes and paper shape. Make a owl, bird or little animal. This is fun for kids and very creative. For winter decor, try a Pincones cloth. Arrange many pins in a round shape. Glue them on a bead string. Add ribbon or small decoration. And roll it in seeds. Hang it outside for birds and weavers. Next idea is friends. It is simple and kind to nature. Another idea is Pincones table decor. Place a few Pincones in a tray or bowl. Add candles or flower. Now your table look warm and beautiful. Friends, and viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video, friends. Allah Hafiz.